How to use Google Play gift card on Fortnite. You can use a Google Play gift card to buy items or V-Bucks in Fortnite if you're playing the game on an Android device. Here's how. Open the Google Play Store app on your Android device. Tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Then go to Payments and Subscriptions and select Redeem Gift Code option. Enter the code on your Google Play gift card and tap on Redeem. After that, launch Fortnite on your Android device. Log in to your Fortnite account. Navigate to the V-Bucks store in the game's menu. Select the amount of V-Bucks you wish to purchase. When prompted to select a payment method, choose Google Play Balance. Confirm your purchase, and the V-Bucks will be added to your account. If you encounter issues, contact Google Play Support or Epic Games Support. Thanks for watching.